Hi, I'm Professor Stephanie, and today I'm going to put a video together that's rendering this sofa and this interior space. As you can see, I've already selected the colors that I want to use. I try to restrict myself, otherwise I kind of go crazy. So you can see I've got some neutrals. I'm keeping pretty close to an analogous color scheme. I want to be very close in the color wheel with my colors, and I have a couple of extra accents, that red, orange, and a deeper brown. Those are going to be popped in there for a little color. Got started with Ouachoo. I actually used a cool gray. This is a cool gray 3. I work with Chart Pack markers, and so a cool gray made an little L shape here indicating a little bit of a shadow, and then I used a cool gray 1 just to give a little bit of a flavor in those windows. Went to warm gray for the flooring. I like to show paneling. I like to show a little bit of suggest the wood grain, and you can see in this I've used a combination of warm gray 1 and warm gray 3. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is to render and not talk so I can speed this up, and then I'll come back and chat a little bit about what I did. So let me just chat a little bit about finishing up. I like to do, you can see I've kind of worked my light from here for a little shade and shadow. And since I work with a line drawing that already has black edges, it's already got some marker on it, I like to add a little bit of texture to help sort of fill in a little bit. I can also add a little shade and shadow. I forgot to add something up here, which I'll go back and do. So as you can see, I kept the sofa rather simple and a light value. I added darker pillows, the darker value there. My accessories, my smaller pieces up here, I tried to lighten up and have a little fun around color. I am going to add something to the carpet to finish that up. It doesn't feel quite finished. I'm not really super pleased with the walls, but I'm actually going to take a warm gray and put it right on top here. I have it. It doesn't have very much marker in it anymore. I lost some of my marker, but I feel like there's too much contrast, and I also kind of particular about, oh, I haven't used banana yet. What happens if I do this? There we go. This is a little bit better. It's just going to kind of put this carpet together as far as having it feel like it works. I left a lot of white spots there, which I'm not sure are quite as successful. I'm not very happy with the walls. I try to give sort of a, I go over on top. This is a warm gray 3. Just felt like that the white in between was too much. I wanted it to have a vertical flavor, kind of in contrast. And you'll notice that I like to make my marker strokes the same in the direction that I'm going to be, that I want my pattern to be. So my marker strokes help create the pattern. I did a little crisscross on that pillow, did little dots here. I'm going to leave the sofa on its own. I might add a little bit of wood here, give it some flavor. You see, that just kind of helps to blend that together. I can add a little texture here. Great. So this is the rendering and how it finished up. Oh, let me add something to that. Let's add some flavor up here. Might be fun to have some orange, some red. You know, these are my accents. And you can see I got a pretty abstract image there. Let's put this yellow as a background, and that maybe will help. I want to repeat my colors, repeat my flavors. I'm looking for a kind of a, not a very dynamic color space, and I'm also seeing a big mark right here where I missed. Great, thank you.